Welcome to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. Today we have a nice barn find. It's a 1992 9.9 Evinrude 2-stroke short shaft. Put a new water pump in it, new plugs, went through the carburetor, got everything running perfect. Beautiful little motor. They don't make them like this anymore. See if you pump a good water. It's a clean little engine. Better warm up just for a second. Got your kill over here. Got your idle adjustment in your handle. So you want to idle it up for your trolling, you can do that. Cavitating. Pace a little low. Idler down. Neutral. Reverse. Neutral again. Like I said, you got your kill switch there. There you go. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. If you call, ask for James Jr. Thank you and have a great day.